Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x20 gooseneck equipment trailer. This trailer does have a gooseneck hitch, as well as our safety chains and breakaway cable at the front. There is two 12,000-pound jacks, as well as our chain box. This equipment trailer does have tie-down points and stake pockets along the side, as well as pressure treated wood flooring. This equipment trailer does come with two 7K Dexter axles on 16-inch wheels and rims. This equipment trailer is a dovetail with King Kong mini ramps. This trailer does have LED brake lights, as well as stone guard on the King Kong mini ramps. And we have our diamond plate fenders. This trailer does come with an I-beam frame. Once again, this is a 7x20 gooseneck equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you.